In this module, we will cover the basics of how to search for information in the Biosafety Clearinghouse. When you open the search menu from the horizontal navigation bar, a drop-down menu will appear, from which you can access the main search tool, registry, or the National Report Analyzer tool. To access the main search tool, click on Record or simply click on Search in the horizontal navigation bar. When you arrive on the search page, you will find Global Search Filter in the blue banner at the top of the page. Search results are recorded just below this banner. The records are organized into three categories: National Record in blue, Reference Record in orange, and the Secretariat of the Convention on Biological Diversity record in gray. The All Record tab is displayed by default, but user can select a particular category of interest to view only the associated record. The total number of records in the database for each tab is indicated inside the black circle. Now let's explore how to refine your search using the various options at the top of the search page. Global filters consist of 5 predefined filters: record types, keywords, country, regions, and date. These global filters allow users to narrow their search results by selecting any combination of filters. The record type filter global filter allows users to select one or more type of the national reference or Secretariat of the Convention on Biological Diversity category of record. The keywords global filter allow users to select from a predefined list of keywords. The country filters allow users to select one or more countries of interest. You can also filter countries by their party status. Regions allow users to filter by regions or regional groups. Finally, the date filter allows users to search records published on a specific date or within a specific range of dates. Users can search the database by typing a record in the free text search field. They can also use any combination of filters to narrow their search. Any global filter you select will appear above the various search filters. Clicking on any of them will open a drop-down menu allowing you to temporarily disable, delete, or exclude the filter from your search result. You can also remove all filters by clicking Clear Filters. If logged into the Biosafety Clearinghouse, users can save the search parameter for easy access in the future. Click on the Save this Search button and provide a title for your new saved search. You can also check the box to receive an email when records pertaining to your search criteria are published. You can access your saved search by clicking on the My Saved Search tab beside the global filters. On the My Saved Search tab, you will be able to see and edit or delete your list of saved search. In addition to the global filters at the top of the page, some record types have their own set of subfilters. The subfilters appear to the left of the search result as soon as a record type containing subfilter is selected from the global filter menu. For example, if you select Competent National Authority in the National Record category, the following subfilter appear at the left of the search result: free text, administrative functions, type of living modified organism under its responsibility. You can also use this filter to further narrow your search for Competent National Authorities records. Each record type has its own subset of filters. The subfilters, including the free text, only apply to the selected record type. You can continue narrowing down your search by using the subfilter only or a combination of subfilter and global filters. Results can be sorted, shared, or exported into spreadsheet format. In the search result, click on a record. We'll expand it on the same page to view the full record detail. Clicking on the record unique identifier will open the record on a new browser page. You can change how results are displayed using the View Type drop-down menu. The Group View allows you to group the result by government or by record type. Sort allows you to sort the result by selecting one or more filters and clicking on Apply. The Matrix View allows the result to be displayed in the form of tables or charts. Use the two drop-down menus to select the type of graphic you wish to create. By using the other drop-down menus appearing on the top and on the left side, you can choose what categories of information to display. You can redesign the table by simple drag and drop, and the table design will change. You can also display the result as customized charts that can be downloaded as images. To search by record number, type the number. For example, 48,750 in the free text search dialog at the top of the page, and then press enter or click on the magnifying glass. You will notice the record number as a selected search filter at the top. Your record of interest will be the first record displayed in the search list. Other records where this record number is referenced will also appear. To access the various registries in the Biosafety Clearinghouse, click on the registries within the search drop-down menu. The three registries provide a compiled list of living modified organisms, and genetic elements available in the Biosafety Clearinghouse. The registry's landing page shows a brief summary of each. The Living Modified Organism Registry provides summary information on all living modified organisms registered in the Biosafety Clearinghouse, with links to all relevant decision and risk assessment reports. The Organism Registry provides biological characteristics of unmodified organisms registered in the Biosafety Clearinghouse as parental recipient or donor organisms, with link to the relevant living modified organism records. The BCH Genetic Element Registry provides summary information on the genetic element associated with the registered living modified organism, including donor organism, conferred trait, and biological function, with link to the record on each genetic element where more detail can be found. The living modified organism containing the particular genetic element are referenced at the bottom of the individual record. Click on View Registry to navigate to a particular registry of interest. Let's use the Living Modified Organism Registry as an example. The registry lists living modified organisms published in the Biosafety Clearinghouse with their unique identifier arranged alphabetically. Clicking on the Export button will download the displayed information table in spreadsheet format. Clicking on the record ID in blue will open the living modified organism record in a new browser page, where you will be able to see detailed information about this living modified organism. You can download a copy of the record in PDF format and print the record. The Compare button allows you to compare the current version of the record with any previous versions. It's only visible when more than one version of record exists. At the top of the record page, decision and risk assessment associated with living modified organisms can be accessed through the links. Clicking on the decision on the LMOs or the risk assessment link will direct you to a page with 3 tabs showing the living modified organism information and all decision and risk assessment that reference this living modified organism record. In the decision on the LMOs tab, user can select options from the display cross-reference with external databases drop-down menu to view additional information from other international databases referencing this living modified organism. Back to the LMO record, scroll down to see full details of the record. Information about linked record can be accessed by clicking on the record unique identifier. If you see issues with any details or information within a record, you can click on the report button at the bottom right of the record. This will open a new window where you can provide information on the issues you found and submit them to the Secretariat for consideration. Please note that you need to be signed in to the Biosafety Clearinghouse to see this window. You can access the National Report Analyzer page from the Search drop-down menu. The page is divided into 2 sections. The top section shows the statistic of the submission of National Report on the implementation of the Cartagena Protocol. Below the summary table is the Analyzer tool, which allows you to select specific section or question of a national report and display the result by country, region, or by parties, non-parties. Now let's try to practice using the Biosafety Clearinghouse to search for information. Please answer the following question. What are the genetically modified variety of cannula approved in Germany? Go to the Biosafety Clearinghouse URL bch.cbd.in. From the horizontal navigation bar, click on Search. Click on the global filter country, then choose Germany. Then click on Close. The selected filter Germany is displayed on the top. The displayed result shows all national reference records associated with Germany, but not necessarily published by Germany. Then apply another global filter, record type, to find specific record. Choose country's decision or any other communication. Now you will notice that the newly selected filter next to Germany on the top. and the total number of records in your search result has been updated to reflect the number of decisions relevant to Germany in the Biosafety Clearinghouse. Scroll down to the left sidebar and apply an additional subfilter, parental organism common name. A pop box with a list of common names is displayed. Type cannula on the search bar of this list. Click on cannula plant and click on the select button. The number of records decreases further. Click on a record to expand it on the same page and to show more details. Change the display of results, sort, share, or download them in a spreadsheet format. You can also save this search and get notified when new records matching these search criteria are published.